Welcome to my channel. Today you're about to see something that completely changes the meaning of luxury SUVs, because this is the first look at the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV. And trust me, this is not just a car. This is a moving palace on wheels. The moment you look at it, you can feel it. Mercedes didn't build this for speed lovers or off-road junkies. They built this for people who believe comfort should feel like power, and luxury should feel effortless. From the outside, the Maybach S680 SUV looks bold, calm, and extremely confident. The signature Maybach grille stands tall, chrome detailing shines without screaming, and every single line feels intentional, like it was designed to impress without trying too hard. This SUV doesn't chase attention. Attention follows it. Now let's talk about what really matters. The presence. The long wheelbase, massive proportions, and elegant stance instantly tell you this sits above normal luxury SUVs. This isn't competing with Range Rover or Bentley. It's speaking directly to people who want absolute refinement. The ride height gives authority, while the design keeps it smooth and graceful, not aggressive. And then you step inside, and that's where reality changes. The interior of the 2026 Maybach S680 SUV feels more like a private jet cabin than a car. Premium Napa leather everywhere, flawless stitching, wood and metal trims that feel handcrafted, and ambient lighting that softly wraps around the cabin like a warm glow. Nothing feels digital for the sake of being digital. Everything feels calm, rich, and intentional. The dashboard flows seamlessly into massive high-resolution displays, but they don't dominate you. Instead, they quietly serve you. The steering wheel feels solid, heavy, and expensive. The kind that tells you this car was built for smooth control, not aggressive driving. And if you think the front seats are impressive, the rear seats are on another level. This SUV is clearly designed for those who prefer to be driven. Rear passengers get executive lounge seating, deep cushioning, legroom that feels endless, and comfort settings that adjust almost everything, from seat position to massage, temperature, and even relaxation modes. You don't sit back here, you sink in. Silence is another luxury here. The cabin is so well insulated that outside noise almost disappears. Even at speed, it feels like the world has been muted just for you. That's not an accident. That's Maybach engineering. Under the hood, the S680 badge tells its own story. A powerful V12 engine sits quietly, delivering strength without drama. This SUV doesn't need to roar to prove itself. Power comes smooth, silent, and controlled, exactly how luxury should feel. You always know the power is there, but it never overwhelms the experience. Driving this SUV won't make you feel sporty. It will make you feel important. Every detail in this vehicle says one thing clearly. This is for people who value time, comfort, and presence more than speed or aggression. It's for those who want to arrive relaxed, confident, and untouched by the chaos outside. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV is not just luxury redefined, it's luxury perfected. It doesn't try to impress everyone, and that's exactly why it stands above everything else. If this is the future of luxury SUVs, then Mercedes-Maybach has already won. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because more ultra-luxury reviews are coming very soon.